Guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about ViroLink. Now ViroLink is due to be released on June the 10th at 11 AM Eastern. It comes from Branson Tay. Now this has already been released. I actually bought this a few hours ago and I already reviewed this once, and I actually give it quite a poor review because the functionality on the front end wasn't working for me at all, and none of the links were in the actual front end. But they've since sent me an email and there is more functionality within this particular application. So what I said is I would do another review, and again, so that I'm not misleading anybody, I'm actually showing you the product. So this is the completely live version. Most of the reviews you're going to see on this on YouTube are going to be the JV version, which they've never actually used. This is the live version, and I'm going to show you as I actually log in, although I've already done it already. So apparently this is going to be a push button viral blast any link for free buyer traffic in 27 seconds, newbie friendly, no experience needed, zero tech skills needed, all the usual stuff on here, guys. And on the actual sales page, lots of random numbers on here from tester 1 and tester 2 and tester 3, which obviously is complete proof that this works. Guys, I don't know why they do this. If they're not going to show me a case study where this actually shows me how it makes $490, what is this telling me apart from the fact that somebody is making these graphics? So, you know, that kind of thing is a complete waste of time, because I know how easy it is to actually make those kind of graphics up. So guys, we're going to jump straight into the members area. I'll show you as I actually log in, because I want to point out a few things on this, and then we'll actually go through the OTOs so you can understand exactly what you're getting here before you decide to purchase. So my name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I do new reviews. And guys, if you're serious and you really want to build a long-term sustainable business online, don't forget to check out our free training. You'll see the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and it will take you through the whole process step by step. So let's jump straight in here, guys. Now when you actually purchase this, or if you purchase this, you're going to end up with this link over to this area. They're going to try and get me to $1,000 per day ViroLink live training, which is $365,000 a year. Probably puts you in the top 10% earners in the United States. So that's got to be pretty good training, right? Access your ViroLink software here, and because I was one of the first 100, apparently I'm going to get a profit booster account. So here we go, we're going to log in, and I'm actually going to log in to the software. And as I said, I've already signed up for this. And the reason I've left my bar up, I wouldn't usually show this bar at the top here, but the reason I've left it up is because this website is not secure. So the ViroLink app and the account login, none of this is a secure website. So I'll show you as I actually go through the review. Even the pages that you build from this are not secure, so you're not going to be able to use them anywhere, because all of your blockers are going to be stopping them when you try and send them to somebody. Now I've actually told my blocker not to stop this one. It tried to stop using this page, and I've actually told it not to. But when you try and open this up, your virus, your security guard will definitely try and block the page. So that's not a good thing, not having a secure site on a live website like this. But I'm going to log in and I'll show you around. Okay, so jumped inside. Now what you have here is a welcome video. Now when I had this before, none of this was working, none of this was actually showing. I only had a dashboard and this campaign builder here. You have a welcome video, you have a bunch of landing page builders in here, and you have something to do with Pinterest, but it doesn't really explain why there's a mixture of landing pages and Pinterest in here. And my assumption is you're supposed to be able to pin stuff to Pinterest and then get them to come over to your landing pages, over to your great affiliate offers, but none of that actual end-to-end process is ever described in here. All it is a random page builder, which all of these things are these days. I literally reviewed a product by Billy Dyer earlier, which is exactly the same thing as this. It's almost the same interface, and it's just a very, very cheap page builder with a few more tools thrown in that you don't really need, and the traffic is always social media traffic. So let's see if the traffic on this is social media traffic. So you have some campaign here. I can have a look at my campaigns, which I created, and again I created these earlier, but let me go ahead and show you one of these because it didn't actually work. If you want to create a campaign, you give it a name. So I'm going to give it some kind of random name, and then I say next, and then it's going to go and find a pin. So let's just say affiliate marketing. I will search that, and it's going to go find some of these pins. Now next I should be able to just pick one of these pins and save it, and then something happens next. but nothing happens next. There's nowhere on here to describe it, and the actual training video that's attached to this is actually for the research pin finder, which is another part of this particular part of the section. Which I go down to research is a pin finder here. So no idea what this is supposed to be doing, but it doesn't work. And again, if I go to the research piece, the next bit down, you can look at trending topics. So again, you can look at affiliate marketing. And apparently you're supposed to use these as inspiration, so I guess you could. But I would go to Google Trends if you really want to do this. But let's go to affiliate marketing on here, have a look at these trending topics, see what it brings back. And I just search for that and nothing's happened. So guys, you can see this is very unstable already. Now this is still not secure. You know, this is not a good piece of software. And now I cleared my cookies before this to make sure that nothing on my PC would stop this working, and it's not working. So that's the research piece. You have another plus create here. You can create some templates. These are the same templates they also show you on the landing page. So I can come here and actually just pick one of these, give it a name, and then you've got a very, very simple template builder here, extremely simple template builder here, that you can just change some of these various aspects of this about, and then press create. Now if you download, the idea is that you download and upload this into your own site, but if you could do that, why would you ever need this software? So there you go, there's my template. Now if I look at this, again, this isn't secure, so if I try and share this anywhere, you'll have all sorts of security blockers stopping people getting to this site, so I can't share it anywhere. Now if I share this, this is going to be my viral traffic, and I knew it was going to be social media traffic. And this is even worse than most products, because the social media traffic, there's not even your 100, 200 options. There's about 10 options on here. So guys, this is not good, and social media traffic isn't traffic unless you've got a following on social media. And why would you want to share pages like this on social media? So if that's their 27-second traffic, then that isn't traffic at all. And when I go down and look at the other ways to create, you can design a new pin. Again, this flick between having a having some form of Pinterest pin editor and then having some kind of landing page editor is not explained anywhere. It's just a mess. And it's just, again, you can go to Canva. Go to Canva if you want to design any kind of Pinterest pins. Don't use software like this. Go down to landing pages, same thing on the landing pages. You can create a landing page. It goes to exactly the same section, and you can create one of these as well. Go to hot offers. If I go and I want to look at Warrior Plus offers, and I'll just say affiliate marketing again, and I'll search Warrior Plus, it's just going to give me a whole list of offers for Warrior Plus. Or I'll click on that, and this is an affiliate link over to this product, and what they're doing is they're hoping that you'll buy this product. So I'm not sure why you would need that. Just go to Warrior Plus if you really want to promote things from Warrior Plus, because you'll have all sorts of data in Warrior Plus that allows you to see what the product is, what the vendor's like, what the funnel's like, all of this good stuff. You need to be able to go over to these. So let's have a look at this affiliate marketing strategy here. These aren't even places you can apply for affiliate links. These are just affiliate links over to the main product for you to buy. So that's just nonsense. Again, there's a schedule, more Pinterest stuff here for scheduling pins. You have some privileges here. You can assign privileges here to people. Not sure why, not sure what the point of that is. And then let's look at the training. Now I cleared my cookies earlier to make sure the training was actually able to work, and there's nothing on my side blocking it. But this is not secure, and this training isn't working. So this is almost no better than my first review, guys. The only difference was I only had these two sections to review. Now I've done the rest of these. I'm not changing my opinion on this being a complete waste of time for you. Now there's a bunch of upgrades here. I'm actually going to go through these and show you how much money this would cost you to actually get what they're saying is the full capability of this particular application. And then I just look on the bonuses here. Absolutely no bonuses. Again, nothing's working here. So guys, I will be in contact with support. Again, look at the support. I look at the support here, and there's no way of getting support either. So pretty typical, guys. I think we need to avoid this one. Let's go back and have a look at the OTOs. So here's the front end is $17. They got the ViroLink Unlimited is $47. You got the ViroLink Done For You is $197. ViroLink Monetization $97. ViroLink Limitless Traffic is $147. ViroLink Franchise Partner License is $497. ViroLink The Missing Piece $97. And guys, that is nearly $1,000. And if you were to just take the downsells on that, that would be $500. And guys, you need to be keeping well away from this. There is no way that this is worth $500, any of it. So I just look at the sales page a little bit more. Again, I talked about these random numbers on here for no apparent reason. I just jumped down to the bottom there. They're saying there's a 365-day money-back guarantee here, so I'm not quite sure how you'll get that back. And there's $150 for wasting your time, so I'll be interested to see how many people get that. And then the actual value of this is $10,964, and you can get it for a one-time fee of $17. So guys, if you're interested in starting a business online and you want to understand how to do it, don't forget to pick up our free training. You'll see the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. Until next time, guys, take care.